Ancient city Varanasi is situated between the confluence of the rivers Varuna and Asi with the Ganges. There is a mention of Kazi in Rigveda, Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. The city is certainly old. It is more older than 3000 years. Banaras or Kazi is one of the oldest civilizations of the world. Mark Twain had described Banaras as older than history and older than tradition. Well-known poets like Kabir, Tulsidas, Pandit Ravi Shankar Bismillah Khan have lived here. Adi Shankara wrote his commentaries on Hinduism here, leading to the great Hindu revival. The ultimate dream of every Hindu devotee is to take dip in the holy Ganges and breathe his last at this sacred piece of land and be bestowed with moksha. The cascading waters of the holy Ganga humbly envelop the feet of Kashi Vishwanath at Banaras, fondly known as the royal residence of the Lord. Kashi Vishwanath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple stands on the western bank of the holy river Ganga. Presiding deity is called as Vishwanath or Vishvesvara, meaning ruler of the universe. Mothers are called as Visalakshi and Annapurani. The temple has been referred to the Hindu scriptures for a long time as a central part of worship in the Saiva philosophy. It has been destroyed and reconstructed a number of times in history. The last structure was demolished by Aurangzeb, the sixth Mughal emperor, who constructed the Gyanvapi Mosque on its site. The current structure was built on an adjacent site by the Maratha ruler Ahalyabai Holkar of Indore in 1780. Kala Bhairava Temple. When Lord Shiva gets angry on Lord Brahma, he creates a dangerous form called Kala Bhairava. Bhairava beheaded one of Brahma's 5 heads, and since then Brahma has only 4 heads. When depicted as Kala Bhairava, Bhairava is shown carrying the decapitated head of Brahma. The whole atmosphere in Kala Bhairava temple is mesmerizing with immense power of mantra chanting. When one looks at the idol, he is allured by his emission of powerful rays. Such is the beauty of the temple. Ganga Arati. Ganga Arati is the magnificent event during evening in Varanasi that one must not miss to see it. It makes us to experience the great feelings while Ganga Arati become in process. This beautiful ritual makes every moment of the evening period special and fills with spiritual thoughts. Prayagraj, Allahabad. Though Prayag has been in existence for ages, the name Allahabad was given by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Allahabad or Prayagraj is also called the Tirthraj, the king of all pilgrimage centers. There are many references to Prayag in the epics, Vedas, and Puranas. Allahabad is situated at the confluence of the 3 rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. The place where Ganga and Yamuna meet is called Sangam, the venue of many scared fairs and rituals, the place that attracts thousands of pilgrims throughout the year. The most important event at Prayag is the Kumbh Mela. History of Gaya dates back to the birth of Gautam Buddha. About 15 kilometers from Gaya town is Bodh Gaya, the place where Gautama Buddha got enlightenment. Gaya is situated on the banks of Balkuni River in the state of Bihar. Gaya was a part of ancient province of Magadha and is sacred city not only for the Hindus but also for the Buddhists. Vishnupada temple is marked by a footprint of Vishnu. This footprint is the significance of the act of Lord Vishnu crushing Gayasur under his foot. The temple that stands today was rebuilt by Devi Ahalyabai Holkar in the 18th century. Lakhs of people visit Gaya to perform Sirad, to absolve the sins of ancestors. Mahabodhi Temple. Mahabodhi Temple is a Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, the location where Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, is said to have attained enlightenment. Next to the temple, to its western side, is the holy Bodhi tree. In the Pali Canon, the site is called Bodhimanda, and the monastery there is Bodhimanda Vihara. The Jain Buddha statue is one of the many stops in the Buddhist pilgrimage and tours routes in Bodh Gaya, Bihar. The statue is 25 meters, about 82 feet high, in meditation pose or dhyana mudra, seated on a lotus in open air. It took 7 years to complete with the help of 1,20,000 masons. If you like our video, please click like button. If you would like to share with others, please click share button. If you would like to get more updates on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.